When it comes to dropshipping, customer support can make or break your experience with a platform. In today's comparison, we're diving into SalesHoo versus Doba to find out which one offers better customer support, so you can make the best choice for your business. First off, both SalesHoo and Doba have built reputations in the dropshipping space, but when it comes to customer service, there's a clear difference. SalesHoo is known for its strong community and support network. The platform offers 24/7 customer service through live chat, email, and phone support. They also have a massive community forum where you can engage with other dropshippers for advice and troubleshooting. On the other hand, Doba's customer support isn't as widely praised. While they do offer email and phone support, users report longer response times and fewer options for immediate assistance. The real downside here is that Doba doesn't have a community-based forum or a similar engagement platform like SalesHoo, which could leave you feeling a bit isolated when you need help. Next thing to consider is the quality of support. SalesHoo's live chat is often praised for providing quick, helpful responses, especially with their team being well-versed in the dropshipping industry. If you're new to the game or need more in-depth guidance, SalesHoo's support team can walk you through various processes, such as setting up supplier relationships or troubleshooting product listings. Doba's support, while decent, doesn't receive the same level of praise. Reports show that response times can be inconsistent. Customers often report waiting longer than expected for replies, especially when dealing with more complex issues. The support is helpful, but it might not be as efficient or tailored to the needs of dropshipping as you would like. The fourth thing is knowledge base and self-help resources. SalesHoo stands out here, offering a comprehensive library of tutorials, guides, and video content to help users solve problems on their own. This is a huge benefit, especially if you prefer troubleshooting without having to reach out for support every time. Their resources are constantly updated, which helps keep you ahead in the game. Doba, however, lacks the same depth in terms of self-help content. While they do offer some guides and FAQs, the resources are a bit limited and not as intuitive or extensive. You might find yourself relying more on direct support rather than solving issues independently through their documentation. The fifth point is integration with other tools. SalesHoo provides excellent support when integrating with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Their support team is knowledgeable about these platforms, which makes your integration process smoother and faster. Doba, by comparison, doesn't offer the same level of expertise with third-party platforms. Their customer support is more focused on handling issues with their own system rather than assisting with seamless integration across your business tools. To wrap it up, both SalesHoo and Doba offer customer support, but SalesHoo has a clear advantage in almost every area. From the ease of getting in touch with live chat and phone support to the wealth of self-help resources and community engagement, SalesHoo creates a much more comprehensive support system for dropshippers. Now, while SalesHoo and Doba are both good platforms in their own right, after trying both myself, I can confidently say there's a better alternative for anyone serious about dropshipping and in need of top-tier customer support. If you want to try it for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check it out and see for yourself which platform truly delivers when it comes to customer support for dropshipping.